Welcome to our presentation today. Our company is building SAP add-on for SAP Real Estate Flexible model, which helps not only to manage corporate property more efficient, but also helps to manage facility services. The example of services provided are meeting room reservations, reporting of incidents, visitors registrations, catering requests, inventory, or any other requests you may think in a modern office. The mobile app I'm going to present today is meant to use inside hospitals, universities, or big corporate offices for quick room reservations within company premises. With this app, we are planning to reach every employee in the company who does from time to time room reservations or is often attending different meetings inside the company. The presented app is running inside web container and is working on all modern devices like iPhone, iPad, Android, different kinds of Android tablets. So we start our presentation. I will go to the main screen and start from there. When the user runs on the main screen, user sees the main actions in top left corner, doubled as well on the main screen. That's used for in case when this application is running on the ordinary phone, when you have much smaller screen, and then basically whole the left column will disappear and the user will start from the home panel only. Under the main actions, you see also the list of reservations that are approaching user today. In my case, since it's beginning of the day, I have a list of all reservations that should happen today, and the same reservations are doubled in my reservation section, plus there are more reservations that are coming in next few weeks for the actual user. By tapping on any of the reservation, user can basically navigate to the floor plan with a drawing of the floor where the room is located, where the meeting should take place, so he can find his position in building, or when it's some other meetings, maybe in another building, so he can look there. He can look how to get there, so like when he gets out from the stairs, he probably must go along to that corridor and then there to the meeting. And same way also when the user goes to the My Reservations, he sees the same list for the longer period. He can also, for example, take some other building and see how to get to the meeting room there. He can also get some little information about rooms that actually are around and get some information about it, or again find his way to get to the meeting in a way like this. This is the only part to overview the current reservation. As well, user can make a new reservation over this application, and we support several scenarios for it. The first is available now scenario. Basically what it means, it's just when you're hitting up the fact that you should have a meeting right now because of you want to have a call in quiet area, or you just meet a colleague and you need to whiteboard and some area to discuss something with them, so you just search for the rooms that are available right now in around of your office. It takes your data from the user profile of where you are located and is showing exactly the same floor and meetings room available. So in my case, I have 3 meetings rooms available right now in around, so I can look some details of the meeting room, find by myself the room I like the more, and just book the relevant room in office. So I just confirming the time of reservation, and this room is reserved for me. So now I have this reservation now done for 1 hour from right now. Same way, or the similar to it, is a new reservation scenario. In this case, we just make something like the ordinary reservation, so we can choose the buildings where we going to have meeting. So in my case, I will take the headquarter building. You can say the date when you want to have a meeting there, so some date. And also using the clock, you can put the date of the meeting. So in let's say I want to have a meeting from 3 to 4. Today the red area showing the dates which are not available for me. So like this meeting room is available only from 9 till 7 o'clock afternoon. So if I go to, or I try to go to that area, it would be not possible for me. So I put 4 o'clock and I look for available rooms there. Well, in my case there's enough available. Again, the same way I can look at the room details. I have some minimal information about room capacities and spaces that coming directly from SAP RealFix model. And if I like this room or I like that room, I can just book it the same way. And I have this meeting room reserved. Sometimes it happens that the building is really big, so you cannot, even on iPad screen, you cannot see it in full. So then in this case you can rotate your iPad to have more screen size, and then basically your building becomes much bigger, so you may have better visibility of it, or still, if it's not enough, you can still zoom in to see the more details there. Same way you can still do the actions as you had it before, so by pressing navigation button, you have a same list of the actions and same list of the activities below. So if you click on any of them, you will get to the relevant building, or you can same way do the new meeting. Again, choosing the proper building. Let's say I take the Atlas building and I put some other reservation time and try to look for the rooms available. In that case I don't have that many, so I probably will do it again. So new reservation, and I choose USG people building, put some more sophisticated time constraints there for 2 hours, change the date, and try to search for the rooms. In my case, well, I don't have really that many rooms on the building. So that's it. Another functionality that we are working right now is a function that is called picture in reserve. But actually the goal there is that a user should be able to make just a picture of the door label of the meeting rooms he wants to reserve, and by this the meeting rooms got reserved for the user. So it's basically a variation of user scenario for available now meetings, only that you don't need really to type or choose anything. You just take a picture of the door label, and it's responsibility of the system to recognize the proper room and reserve it for the user. And that's basically it for my reservation. Thank you.